And they say all I rap about's bitches and champagne. You would too if every night you seen the same thing. Money wall to wall, young famous nigga. Spend it all, when you die you can't take it with you. Bottle of rosé if I'm drinking with ya. Cause most niggas broke, they bankers injured. Them bitches gon' ride with who they think's a winner. And I'll be smiling in case they take a picture. I'm smoking weed, drinking liquor, make 100 off the show and spend it all on my niggas. When I go shopping, I tell them pick one. Cause they was with me when nobody seen the vision. Always about my business, don't play the cards. I talk to the niggas who deal them. Girl flush. Now look up them niggas and baby girl, you'll see us, yeah.
I'm gonna spend it all, why wait for another day? I'ma take all this money I own and blow it all away. Cause I can't take it when I'm gone, 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 gone. No, I can't take it when I'm gone, 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 gone. I'm gonna spend it all, why wait for another day? I'ma take all this money I own and blow it all away. Cause I can't take it when I'm gone, 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 gone. No, I can't take it when I'm gone, 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 gone. No, I can't take it when I'm gone.
Pile of hoes in my car, they wanna feel it at maximum speed, never have an absence of weed. Tired of being at the bar, everything Louis V, plus the most exclusive tree in my jar. Making my bank, spending it all, and that expensive shit you paid for, she had it on, she taking it off. Most of these niggas just talk, ain't caking it off. Back in the day money was short, I'm making it taller. You know what I mean? Some say it's a problem, blowing my greens, not saving my collards. No NBA, they say I'm a baller, live for the day, stunned like my father.
Wait for another day. I'ma take all this money I own and blow it all away. Cause I can't take it when I'm gone, 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 gone. No, I can't take it when I'm gone, 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 gone. I'm gonna spend it all, why wait for another day? I'ma take all this money I own and blow it all away. Cause I can't take it when I'm gone, 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 gone. No, I can't take it when I'm gone, 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 gone. No, I can't take it when I'm gone.
Yeah. It's nothing new. Cause this is exactly what I do. What up, E? The good weed's lit on this one. Yeah. Riding by myself. The world turning, the weed burning, them haters talking, I keep earning. Know some who say life's a bitch, well I'ma keep flirting. And fuck that bitch for the money and Louis V purchases. Old folks jack my car cause they know just what this is. Niggas flexing hard with no bars, they got weak service. Keep verses, Mortal Kombat, look at my ring. If I ain't ballin', bitch, then what you call that? Nothing but net, ain't back cause I never left. I did everything right, nigga, better yet. Rolling bomb for the niggas that's around us. Something like a contractor built it from the ground up. Now just twist up this weed, realize you in the presence of a G. Don't fuck up my paper, meaning my cheese, or the ones I use to roll up my trees. Fuck it, you know what I mean.
I'm riding real, smoking my music loud, kinda do my thing, no disrespect to the niggas before me. Some smile up in your face, but then they on the low. Now I just done on my own, now I just done on my own.